So this is all Lucifer, the divine feminine. Lucifer is the shape-shifting, transgendered version of Satan. This is Satan fell like lightning. They're breaking through the firmament. I mean, they're just basically doing it all here. I'm sure President Snow represents the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob to them. That's what this is all about, so... Commentary, fair use for educational purposes. Fair use. Hunger Games. Catching Fire.
Let's get away from that tree!
Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity by getting hit by lightning. Satan fell like lightning. You got the band AC/DC.
Let's get away from that tree!
Again, breaking through the firmament. He's representing the God of the Bible, who they hate, of course, the true God, Abraham, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Satan fell like lightning, breaking through the firmament. Breaking through the firmament. Because there's no such thing as outer space. We know that the wandering stars are just lights in the sky right above us. And when you do close-ups of them, they just basically blink and they kind of move like as if they're in water. But of course, you know, the CGI of the nassholes.
It's not possible.
I just realized this guy's name is literally Heavensby, as the firmament, the heavens. The guy he's going to call, I guess it's like, would be Michael the Archangel or somebody, his right hand.
Heavens be! Plutarch, heavens be!
Plutarch, Heavensby. Michael, if you want to gematria that, I wonder.
Sir, you've lost power.
Commentary, fair use for educational purposes, breaking through the firmament. Lucifer, Satan fell like lightning. Lucifer. You're never quite sure who are playing these roles. We'll just put it like that. Firmament is open.